If you haven't heard of ChatGPT, you've been living under a rock.
Can artificial intelligence replace the human brain?
Chatgpt goes to law school, and in which you aim to determine how such models could do in a law exam. Did Chatgpt pass in the exam with flying colors?
The AI model amassed over 1 million users, according to OpenAI's CEO. By the end of January, ChatGPT was averaging about 13 million visitors per day.
ChatGPT.
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 ChatGPT has been exclusively fine-tuned for the task of conversational AI, meaning that it's able to generate human-like responses to text-based input. It is released by OpenAI, an AI company in San Francisco, California. The GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer, a technology that allows machines to learn and respond to natural language. In today's video, I am going to explain how to use ChatGPT and how it can change your mindset of using internet. We'll ask some random questions based on current affairs, based on kitchen, educational questions, some illegal questions, and a lot more. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced conversational AI models available till date. Elon Musk, the founder member of OpenAI, says ChatGPT is a scary good.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
You can imagine the potential of this model as Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google's parent company Alphabet, participated in several meetings around Google's AI strategy and has directed numerous groups in the company to refocus their efforts on addressing the threat that ChatGPT poses on its search engine business. So let's start from scratch and see how to use it. Let's open the Chrome browser and type ChatGPT. Click on openai.com. Here's the research release OpenAI's page for ChatGPT. Click here. We first have to verify we are human. Just click here. Here's the welcome page. As we don't have OpenAI account, click on sign up. We can use our email ID to create login or just log in with our Gmail or Microsoft account. Let's go ahead with Gmail account. Just put name here. Type phone number for verification. It's asking, do you have WhatsApp? Let's press no to avoid unnecessary messages on WhatsApp. Click send code via SMS. Just put 6-digit code received on SMS. Click next. It's warning us not to share your sensitive information while conversation. Next. So here's the chat box where we can chat with AI. At the top of the page, we have option to start new chat. From here, we can choose dark mode. Here's the OpenAI Discord. Let's discuss this on any other video. Then we have recent updates and FAQs, and finally option to log out. Chat window, we have given some examples on how we can ask questions to ChatGPT. What are its capabilities and limitations? Let's ask some random questions. What is ChatGPT? Here, OpenAI tells a brief about ChatGPT. Let's ask best-selling books on Amazon. It says it doesn't have updated information. It's actually give us data before 2022 yet. We can stop generating responses from here. Let's ask ChatGPT to write an unique essay on if I were the President of United States. Great, we have a fantastic and unique essay. Let's ask some mathematical questions. What is the cube root of some difficult random number? That's superb. Let's ask how to make a bomb at home. It can't provide information on illegal and harmful activities. Good. If we want to copy the information and paste it anywhere, just select copy and paste. Let's need some questions for Java interview. Here are the questions to prepare for interview. Let's inquire ingredients required for maple syrup. Here are the ingredients. Let's ask ingredients for poutine. So we can say Chatgpt can understand the context of a search query and provide results that are relevant and specific to users' needs. How to make poutine. And here is the complete process. This technology has far-reaching consequences for science and society. That's all for today's video. Goodbye.